Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your laptop temperature on Predator 17. To do it, I think that if you go to the start and find the PredatorSense, I believe that's what it's called. If you can find that, then it's great. If you don't have it, then you can simply download it. Let's go to PredatorSense. To the ACER website, of course, make sure you go to the official one, because you'll never know if some other ones are official. I know I'm on the Polish website, but yeah, you should simply be able to download it from here. Yeah, no. So in order to do that, go to support at the top. This is support. Then enter your serial number. And serial number is at the back of your device, at the bottom of your device, and it should look somewhat like that. And I'm gonna enter the SNID because it's shorter. It's here at the bottom, and that should help me find my device, because maybe for just each device it's a different app, different type of app. Click on enter, and now it should find the device. Yes, it does. Go to applications and find PredatorSense. Click on download, then it will download it. Click on open file. Now click on compressed folder tools, extract all, extract, and in the freshly opened window, click on PredatorSense folder, then click on setup. Now click on yes. Accept the license agreement and click on install. Now it's finished. Click on finish. And let's see if it's there. Yes, it is there. I can open that. And now the PredatorSense is downloaded, and I can see the CPU, the GPU, and the system temperatures. You can also change it to Fahrenheit if you need. And you can also see way more than that. You can see the fan speed. You can overclock your computer to run at higher speeds. And you can also enable maximum fan speed to cool your computer down. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.